In this video, I will show you how to use the Gamma Imagine tool to generate stunning images for your presentations. I'll start by opening my Video AI Technology Guide directly from the dashboard. Once the project loads, I scroll down through my existing cards to find the perfect spot for a new visual. I click the plus icon to add a new card right after the Implementation Strategy section. Now, I head over to the right-hand sidebar and click on the Images icon, then select AI Images to open the Generation panel. In the prompt box, I enter a detailed description for a futuristic, isometric neural network with neon teal and violet lighting. Before generating, I'll customize the output by changing the aspect ratio to 16:9 and setting the image count to 3. I hit the Generate button and wait a few seconds for the AI to work its magic. Once the options appear, the best fit populates directly into my card. To further refine the result, I can click the Edit icon to open the AI agent, where I can choose from suggested edits like adding more glowing lines or adjusting the background brightness. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use the Gamma Imagine tool to generate images.